we're going to use the substitution method. We found out that 2x plus 8 is equal to y. We also found that 4x plus 6 is also equal to y. Well, if they're both equal to y, that means we can make them equal to each other, which means we can have 2x plus 8 is equal to 4x plus 6. Well, we're still trying to get the variable alone, but we have variable on each side. So now what we have to do is we have to decide, hey, which one do we want to get rid of? A lot of times we try to get rid of the smallest variable, so 2x is the smallest variable. So we're going to do the opposite of plus 2x. We're going to minus 2x from both sides. So now we've gotten rid of the 2x, and that is equal to 8. 4x minus 2x is 2x plus 6. Okay, now it's just a two-step equation. What do I have to do to get the variable alone? The variable is still the x. So I'm going to minus 6 from both sides because I'm going to try to get rid of my addition and subtraction first. That cancels out, so I'm left with 2, and 2x is equal to 2. Well, the very last step to get the variable alone, this means multiply. 2 times some number equals 2. So you're going to do the opposite of multiply, which is to divide. So you have x is equal to 1. Now, we're not done yet. Now what we need to do is we need to take this number and plug it back in to either this equation or this equation for x. So, for example, if I were to take this 1, I would say, hey, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 8 is 10. So y is equal to 10. Or I could plug it in here. I could take 1 and plug it in for x here. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 6 is 10. So y equals 10. It doesn't matter which equation I plug it into. I would have the coordinates 1, 10 would be my solution. My x is 1 and my y is 10. So if you were to graph those two lines, they would cross at 1, 10.